Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy and it's pronounced Vag. Today we've got the RS6 up on some quick jacks, and I thought it would be a good time to take the opportunity to install the 034 Motorsport transmission insert. So we've got it here. This one's actually for a B9 S5 or RS5, but I just confirmed with 034 that it fits, so we're going to throw it on there. Pretty easy install. Follow along, check it out. So this thing right here is where your existing transmission insert is. We're gonna remove those two bolts and install the new one just like that. So once we get this part off and the bolts out, you're gonna be looking at something that looks like this, and you're gonna wanna take and slide your new insert right over the top. And you'll push it in, put the two bolts back in, and you're done. All right, we got the bolts installed, and that's what it looks like. Your new shifting experience is now loaded.